Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can integrate your WordPress WooCommerce website with Printful. So first of all, I can go here and make sure that you have installed WooCommerce plugin. Then now we need to install another plugin. Here you can go in WordPress plugins and search for Printful. This is the plugin developed by Printful team. So you can install this plugin. And after that, click on activate button. Now scroll down and here you can see this one on the left side, Printful. Scroll down, click here connect button. Now we need to create a free account on Printful. So here I can get email, click on follow link, then scroll down and approve. Now here you can create your account with your email, Apple account and Google account. So let me go here and select this one, then select email, scroll down, and then here you can add your phone number, but that's optional. Then accept terms and conditions, and click on sign up button. And here you can add your details, your business details and number of employees. Here you can select one of the option. And now here we can get Printful t-shirt logo. Now here we can find out some logo images. So for example, let me select this one. Printful logo image. And now in the products, now simply we can go here and select one of the template from here. For example, let me select this one. Scroll down and click on start designing. And here you can see front side and back side. Here you can go and upload, select the image. Here you can see spotted formats. So let me select one of the image that is in these formats, this one. And then click on apply. It's working fine. You can also add this one from the back side also. Then click on publish button. And now here you can also select the format. Then so I think we should use this one, PNG. Then click on continue button, scroll down and again click here continue button. Then click on publish. Here you can add title and description. So now we can select different options. So this is for the different sizes.